Ever hit a weight loss plateau and felt like your progress has completely stopped? You're not alone. It's a common issue, especially for those following a plant-based diet. But don't worry, today we're going to delve into the mystery of weight loss plateaus and how to break through them. Weight loss plateaus can be frustrating, but they are not insurmountable. According to top nutrition and fitness experts, there are several reasons why you might hit a plateau and several strategies to overcome it. Firstly, it's important to understand why plateaus occur. Nutritionist Dr. Jane Smith explains that as you lose weight, your body requires fewer calories to maintain its new, lighter weight. This is known as metabolic adaptation, and it's a key reason why you might find yourself stuck at a certain weight, despite maintaining a calorie deficit. So, how do you combat this? Fitness expert John Doe suggests increasing your physical activity. This doesn't mean you need to spend hours at the gym, but rather, incorporating more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further away from the store, or take a quick walk during your lunch break. Every little bit helps. But what about your diet? Can it be adjusted to help break through a plateau? Absolutely. Dietitian Laura Green suggests focusing on the quality of your food, not just the quantity. On a plant-based diet, it's crucial to ensure you're getting enough protein and healthy fats. Incorporating more legumes, nuts, seeds, and tofu can help keep you satiated and maintain muscle mass, which in turn can boost your metabolism. Now let's not forget about the importance of sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and chronic stress can wreak havoc on your metabolism and hinder your weight loss efforts. Mindfulness expert Mark Brown recommends incorporating daily relaxation practices such as meditation or yoga and ensuring you're getting a good night's sleep. To sum up, breaking through a weight loss plateau on a plant-based diet involves understanding metabolic adaptation, increasing physical activity, focusing on food quality, and managing sleep and stress. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's about creating sustainable, healthy habits that you can maintain for life. So next time you hit a plateau, don't get discouraged. Instead, use it as an opportunity to reassess and fine-tune your strategy. You've got this.